Here we're going to look at how to write a new project with an Idem plugin. First, we'll create a new empty directory for our project, and we'll install pop create, which will help initialize some boilerplate code for the project. So we'll go into the directory of the new project and run pop create -n, which is the name of the project, my project -tv, which means we have the entry point in another project, in this case Idem, and then -d exec states and tool, because that's the subs that we want to extend from within Idem. So now we'll create a new file in the exec folder, and we'll create a new function. It could be asynchronous or not. Either way, Idem will call it. We'll call it execfunc, and we'll give it a couple arguments. Actually, we'll just give it args and quargs, so that we can pass anything to it on the CLI. And then we'll return quargs, but we need to return a dictionary, and the dictionary needs to have ret as one of the keys and result. And ret is the object that we want to return, in this case quargs, and then result is whether or not the command was successful. So that'll always be true. Save and quit. And now we'll run it. So we'll say Idem, or we'll install pip install the new project to our Python environment, and then we'll run Idem exec myproject.myfunc. I forgot what we named them already, so we'll check. It's called my plugin, so the reference will need to be Idem exec my plugin. It matches the directory structure, the references on the hub. So Idem exec my plugin dot my function, and I forgot what we named the function. I'll just go check that real quick. Execfunc. Idem exec my plugin dot execfunc, and it's success. But we didn't give any arguments, so we'll give it a couple arguments. And it returned them just like we expected, and we'll change the output to JSON to see more complete output. It worked!